Welcome to Carlton's Math Corner. Today we're going to continue our study on geometric sequences. At this time, please make sure that you have your math journal, your vocab packet, as well as something to write with. Our target today is I can find the next three terms of a geometric sequence. Well, here we have an example of a sequence. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. And what I want you to notice is down here, 32, 64, and 128 are the next three terms in the sequence. And what I want you to do is make some observations, like what steps were taken to get those three numbers. Good. I too noticed that, well, the first thing that I see is that a common quotient was found. So if we start off with the 2 and divide it by the 1, we get 2. Then we go 4 divided by 2, we get 2 as well. 8 divided by 4, 2, and 16 divided by 8, 2. Once this common quotient is found, I notice that it is used down here. Okay, and this 16, I notice, is the last term in the sequence. And so 16 is where we start off with. We multiply by 2 and we get 32. Then 32 goes down here. 32 times 2 is 64. Then 64 goes down here. 64 times 2 is 128. And so that common quotient was used to find the next three terms. And this is very similar to what we did with the arithmetic sequence. We too found a common difference, in this case a common quotient, but we used it to find the next three terms. Now, what I want you to notice is that we divide to find the common quotient, but in order to find the next three terms, we ended up multiplying. And what's true about division and multiplication? Exactly. They are inverse operations of each other. And so that is why we're using multiplication to find the next three terms, because it is the inverse of division. Okay, so let's look at our steps. So the first thing we did was we found a common quotient. So we took 2 divided by 1, 4 divided by 2, 8 divided by 4, and 16 divided by 8, and we found a common quotient of 2. Then we took that common quotient and we multiplied it on. We multiplied it by the next term, and then the next term after that, and then the next term after that. So 16 times 2 is 32. Then we used that 32, multiplied it by 2 again, got 64, and then did it one last time and got 128. And so we use the inverse operation of division to find the next three terms. What I would like you to do is I want you to try and find the next three terms of the following sequences. Thank you so much for joining me at Carlton's Math Corner, and I look forward to meeting with you again.